Hi, let's talk about this pivot door made by Modern Steel Doors. This pivot door is about 6 feet wide by about 80 inches tall. So the proportions are not what you'd consider are common. Common is 5 by about 8 feet tall. So this is obviously for a remodel. The specifications of size for this door were provided for the client to fit into their existing home. So that's great. It'll fit like it was meant to be there. This door has been powder coated white. What I like most about this pivot door is the Concise Door Pull. The Concise Door Pull is built into the frame of the door here. So it doesn't really stand out, nor does it obstruct your view. So when you're looking through here, it's unobstructed. Okay? This Concise Door Pull has been covered by brushed stainless. So it gives it a nice pop here, a nice contrast which coordinates with their lock. And if the client has brushed stainless on other parts of their home, say for instance light fixtures or different fixtures inside of their home, it'll complement it very nicely. If you'd like information on getting one of these pivot doors custom made for your home, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll get hold of you. Thank you.